Are you trying to access your own data from an external app, but feeling stuck with OAuth2? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to authorize without any user interaction. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you just want to access your own data, but the standard OAuth process seems to complicate things with redirects and user authorizations. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I provide credentials on the back end to get a code for a token request without any user interaction? This is a common scenario for developers working with APIs, so let's break it down. So, what's the deal with OAuth2? It's designed to allow third-party applications to access user data securely. However, in your case, since you only need access to your own data, you can streamline the process and avoid those pesky redirects. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your OAuth2 authorization without any user interaction. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. To begin the process of authorizing without user interaction, the user needs to register their application with the API provider. This will generate a client ID and a client secret. Next, the user should prepare a request to the token endpoint. This request will include the client ID, client secret, and the grant type set to client credentials. After preparing the request, the user can send it to the token endpoint. If successful, the API will return an access token that can be used to access their data. Finally, the user can use the access token to make authorized requests to the API. This allows them to access their own data without any user interaction. Fun fact, OAuth2 was created to make it easier for users to grant access to their data without sharing passwords. So while it may seem complicated, it's actually designed to keep your data safe. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests using the authorization code grant flow, which is the standard method for OAuth2. If you want to avoid user interaction, you can automate the consent process using a tool like Selenium. This allows you to log in and click the consent button without manual input. And here's the pro tip. Always keep your client's secret secure. Treat it like a password. Never expose it in your front-end code or share it publicly. And there you have it. You can now access your own data via the API without any user interaction. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and remember to keep your credentials safe.